Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Multiverse's error syncing account state. So first of all, you need to open up this web page on your web browser and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to try closing the game and then opening it back up. If the error persists, try turning your system on or off. If that doesn't work, try unplugging and then plugging back your router or modem. That will restart your internet, and hopefully this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.